Ever wonder why billionaires seem to pay little or no taxes and still break zero laws? The secret isn't cheating, it's the tax code, laws built with loopholes that only the ultra-rich know how to use. First trick, wealth isn't income. Billionaires hold assets like stocks that grow in value but aren't taxed until sold. Second trick, borrow against wealth. Instead of selling stocks, they take huge loans, and loans aren't taxable income. Third trick, special deductions. Real estate, business write-offs, even private jets can shrink taxable income. Fourth trick, pass wealth through trusts and foundations. The tax hit gets softened, while reputation looks charitable. Meanwhile, everyday workers pay taxes directly from paychecks. No loophole staircases or billion-dollar deductions. This system shapes inequality, but remember, it's perfectly legal, because the rules were designed this way. So when you hear, why don't billionaires pay taxes? The answer is, they do, just not like you think. Knowing the game is step one. Until the rules change, this is how billionaires play legally.